Mbappe goal no. Share Benzema goal no.
So Mbappe combination.
Pogba I was United no yeah Juma. Na me cry out me tisa almost Obama Madrid cry na me ya. Pogba. That down the whole bomb match back we are confusion and anymore.
Okay,
Casillas, Yadasi Bebre, Andy Casillas now ten and Canon Yami Boy Chanondu, Obesantina Sinadio Hubiano dia brain.
Pure FM 95.7 Radio for the Royals.
Yamrafie, Nainanopai, and Nanopai, Adia David Obinyako, Communications and Brands Manager, Emma Santikot Kobekai, who Ewo, Juma Diesu, Anopai, Chairman, Etnaseno, Na Yabisan in Sembebre, Na Dedika Yabisan is no penny, Yatis sponsor Bibao. I say Yentine.
And I come besides he was say, and then I made an announcement and I was there be out and I was okay. Oh that it's young boy. Young boy say we have a quarter. Yeah, come to the restaurant. That be any telco.
My bank
any telco.
Business, you know.
Bank baba bank baba announcement. Bank baba.
But yet they in your bank.
Bank. Now it's an announcement in your bank. The China supporters we want to create that excitement. We can say require for us to create excitement about our announcement. We require for us to announce Coach Prosper Oguma. Yeah, so how much you? I'm about but this so we have our own way. I want to always get the fans excited about the new sponsor. But here about 4 sponsors for this short period, fans from now to like December. You bet man announce about 4 sponsors. Hopefully next season bet him the football club there. That's the best way to run it.
Sponsorships means money.
This time around we are running Asante Kotokwa. Fully based on fans at Kotoko Agency.
Okay.
Cover last season we had to get contributions from the board near but this time around because NNA and I upon see when he does also a bit my club and one because self-sustaining in terms of its finances near there. So that is how we are running as Ante Kotoko now. I didn't come buy a power say bye back because at least get proceeds and cry. Say we average 100,000 Ghana cedis per match. That's very good money to sustain us in a month. Until you go so
David Obinyako etwa so de tu yanim ensam kakraba efa Dako Jache project no ho o chereche mu se omo odai so se omo baye no mini stadium bia betumi aboa na Asante Kotoko tumi asi akan e ho.
Your plans so you buy any specialist MI feasibility studies on it based on maybe I drew sika say come to complete it and no sika say come ni sika mo drew plan it na ka say enye container project very short na use so say no washrooms are nice being used by the players already in the facility. Officially no. I can't external west clad and no one can cry with Dennis. We are done with it. But you see, before so with Marco project you have to plan. Let's so card what we are using a business sponsor announcing any youth media ban. A person improve the financial inflows into the football club. See for example, say it's more sponsors. I bet Marcus so we has 3 sponsors where you see they call into that project to make it complete. So about Dakoja, there's so many things that we have to do. I said the last keeping cry. I said to work found. And in the future, say it mean even a mini stadium or Dakoja, I think it's fair because we be a ball match here. As I got to bit my now some small matches go so we've off to play when we're Madrid or Moja Santiago Banababi, Alfredo Di Stallo, one ball matches near dinner. So I think that in the medium to long term, no, and this anomaly see so but I want to improve the financial inflows of the club. And our youth team project is very important because over youth players now you can sell them for good money. So it means one talent bit month on $1 million and not 2. Yeah, the size can go about Dakoja when you might bit me Dakoja. So that is how management wants to raise revenue. So that's kind of need their core into those areas.
Yes, I'm beside say Nankwalaya or my bay, Samuel Boate, nominee Isaac Opon nominal, and then Maxwell Ajimakito nominal. Omuko who am away. Omuko, Kwalaya in Bobodo.
Because we have a scouting department. That's one thing I'm unfortunately.
What called scouting department?
We have a scouting, but we don't push them out.
Last time one your boy scouted.
Say what they say. So let me be factual. For example, we say everyone says Sunyane is scouting here. Come on, a lot of calls and pressure management. Look at the numbers about but you know the good thing they say, come on, Coach Prosper buying over lister of potential signings or the buy. Now what we already had from our scouting and within management. And our management, so some of us have all done football, so we know good players, we know people who know good players, on which I recommend it. Over listening, you know, not changes, no, not differences, no, only few. Like Obi said, Richmond Lamptey had already been scouted by coaches in Congo. You also know.
Okay, the first posted the video games to send them.
Yeah, every time.
The first player, I don't know.
Richmond Lamptey, fantastic player. And Obi our captain, Wafa when Ashimiru and the co there. It tells you the quality. So there's enough deep in our scouting department, and you know a lot of this in the youth team at Edinburgh. We're going to see a lot of quality young players in the youth team.
Pure FM.
David Obinyako, Communications and Brands Manager, Santi Kotko, Ninsem, SO, no. Yenram Hatawo, Kaso, Asya, na Vincent So, Dote, management, and now a board member, or the Sem Kakrabo, say, so Hatawo supporters in Yabu Trema, coach Samuel Boedu, Nina Munomo, GDS coach, no, Mrenidua, team, no, Ebejana Naso.
So for last year, a player like Subontera Wafa was one of the star players of the league. Him has come in the matches he played against Kamsa. He showed his mettle. Kofi Koji is performing well. We don't need anybody to tell them he's a quality player. And then the other players that we brought in, because we are playing both Africa and the league. And some of them are registered for Africa, some of them are not registered for the Africa, some are registered for the league. We're trying to get a balance. And I must admit that that's a balance that's become a little challenge for us. But I believe strongly that Coach Boedu, very soon you start how we are going to infuse the new players to complement the team. If it's an old team, no, I'm new players. But as I said, the balance between African squad, the domestic squad is something that we are getting our head round. But me assure say, but me catch supporters say, Enchebia, a lot of the new players will also start featuring.
Pure FM.
Mr. Vincent So, Dote, former Deputy Communications Manager, the Republic of Ghana, and board member, Accra Tovok. Yenram, our Deputy Sports Minister, Honorable Ivan Sopoku Bobieso, Asya, Nranajo, and AFCON Trophy, no, the Equacopreo, Yameboa, Afia Babesimu, Ewa Cameroon, no, Ebelande, wa Ghana, and Ebesi Ghana, High Sanse, was Kuruwa, ne Kana Hokakra, Bibrema, no, Bia, who wants Shana Ekrano, Yadia, who not Homainful Fro and Efa. Now, Ukrainian Deputy Minister for Youth and Sports, Kasai, was Jumedi and I say, also our GDS from Kosa Ghana, Yabeka, who are bomb now, Bronibesia, all hands on deck. Now, yet to me, Aji Trophy, no, Abre Ghana for.
So, on behalf of the President of the Republic, my Minister, and the entire Ghanaians, I wish to formally welcome the 2022 AFCON competition trophy to Ghana. We have been told that before the start of AFCON in every competition year, the competition trophy travels to all qualified nations. And for me, this is where the big excitement about AFCON begins, as we have witnessed today. I see today's event as an opportunity for fans to get closer to the trophy and take pictures with it. My Minister, Honorable Mustafa Ishuf, has asked me to tell you that the focus of the ministry, and for that matter the government, as far as next year's AFCON is concerned, is to go to Cameroon to compete favorably for the CAF. That has been eluded Ghana for the past 40 years. And so government is committed to finding resources for Ghana Black Stars to participate strongly in the competition, which is about a month away. To emphasize the commitment of His Excellency, the President of the Republic, and my Minister, is that our national team goes to Cameroon and perform well, so that for the past 40 years, the cup which Ghana has not won will be back to Ghana.
Pure FM.
enti senia de bia koso no minister ne kasa wi ana nsembo no ne nsemo adi akire no edoso de oka ne se kruwa ne nyaba omo qualify for AFCON no kruwa ne be ko bia ma so na land wo Ghana he de o show bia boss o mampanyin na ban ebe pesika cheseska mu adu na Black Stars no de aya hoboa na omo de piomo na be 40 years ni ayenji kruwa no yetumi agimesre minister Honorable Evans Opokubobie trophy na ba no twa picture preko why na wan hwa na ansa mabio enti o mfonyi bi atwa why na nyeska na yedi wini AFCON why you guys I don't know yes it's come kwana see we are putting money together we twa picture na cap no I don't know. Okay, yanko South Africa for no so after na omanyamra ye press conference now. Just a penalty na shiomo ene o show press conference na players be crab be kasa no musu. Just a penalty back no. I say Danny Jordan or South Africa Football Association president or say enya di omo CAF president or Mosepe ho akosre no so no mundi ani mu nko FIFA na omo hwe na replay enkoso yenti ensemu a Danny Jordan editu dwa.
He is the president of CAF and therefore is the president of South Africa. We will place our matter before FIFA. We must build our case on an objective basis, and that's why, as I explained, we didn't want to use anyone internally of our staff, and they are quite competent people that we have. We said no, let's not, because you were right, no, but in any case, they are on SAFA's payroll, so what do you expect? He's not on SAFA's payroll, and now he's saying he's not on any payroll, he's not going to give an invoice. So that is our case, and we should not involve opportunistically the CAF president, because if the CAF president was not in South Africa, he is from Cameroon or any other country, there would not have been a call to say, can't you go to the CAF president? We are not going to him. He must not get involved. We are a member of CAF, we are a member of FIFA, and we hosted the World Cup. We can fight our battles, that you know. So we don't need help. We need facts, we need analysis, and we have that, and we want to thank H. Noble for his contribution. As he said, it was in the middle of the night after the game, but our blood was boiling. That I thought, no, we must deal with this issue. And I called him, and he immediately said, yes, I can assist. So I want to thank him for bringing the call in the middle of the night after the game. And we are very happy with the outcome.
Danny Jordan, etwa so de to yanim say omotro krata no ekoma FIFA for say Ghana for yani referee free Senegal ya kan tuma bom na ya wi omo say omo benya akwanya wuram into the playoffs of the World Cup no qualifiers no omotro krata no FIFA crown for reply emma omo.
As indicated, we have submitted and we have not yet got anything official from FIFA. It's only CAF which responded in the morning. From FIFA, we're still waiting.
Enti omo wa twen mu omo twen se FIFA edikrata ebe mo hu omo kwan ya da omanim na chese hu nsem eno no na coach Hugo Bruce eso kasaye ono kra de oso wo gidie sronko se South Africa for no obanya akwanya enya replay no.
Forget it. Ghana will win this game. And in my career, I had also those games that you think that the referee is against you. And it is because you are emotional, because you are nervous. And after the game, you have to be honest with yourself and tell us, okay, you were too nervous, you were you didn't see what it was, and okay, he was also against the opponent, and it's normal. But here after the game, I was more convinced that he has been against us, that we couldn't win that game. And this is very frustrating. I saw players crying after the game. I saw frustration, I saw anger, I saw everything, and I think it was the right emotional thing that we have to have after that game. So I hope, really hope that the complaint will be received and that we can at least replay that game because we deserve that. For the future, I think what I said in the beginning, it's a totally other situation. We have a team now.
Pure FM.
Hugo Bruce, coach Amada Bafana of South Africa. Na ninsem ni ose no krani ya ball ni ya chance ya sima ba ku coach mami enum e no no hu ball no hwe senior referee no o to na America o ni Ghana for di nkomo na hu se match no ma lose dada. Just a half time crowd no hu se ball no referee no ni Ghana for obi ye. Na ono crowd ye o gidie surunko se o mo pa na wo se nkomo qualify. Na de ombeye bia no ombeye some ebenya replay no rade sani behe why na referee bi so ono your friend is in Kobo or South Africa referees ni bi ono wadi djuma ejai ono so betena press conference na say and ono say why analysis bi ono chese watwitwa nneoma bi referee no say oje foul ma South Africa for oje foul etia Ghana oje penalty no chese match no so wa hwa hu say there be referee no chese nenye wa sheda pa say oba bewia Ghana oba bewia South Africa for ono na chese o kasa ye so wo press conference na players ni so wi a no abechirechirem.
Again, there's a number of incorrect decisions. In fact, in the second half, ladies and gentlemen, in the second half, there were only 5 incorrect decisions. Only 5 incorrect decisions in the second half. 5. But all of them were against South Africa. All 5 of them. Not in a single incorrect decision in the second half went against Ghana in that. So, we're at a pattern of bias. And when you read this report, you will see instances where there were free kicks that were awarded in favor of South Africa. At moments in the game when allowing the advantage would have led to a promising attack. Several of them. They are logged on as correct decisions because indeed there was a foul on the South African player and the free kick was awarded. So when we look for pattern of bias, we look at the conduct of the referee not only in terms of incorrect decisions, but at critical moments when he should have allowed it but did not. Because when you look at those specific moments, the Ghanaian defenders were far outnumbered. Promising attack, instead of giving the advantage, let's pull them back so that we give them an opportunity to regroup. So, as things stand, having given the draft report to other colleagues, highly respect commissioners, that's the kind of person he is.
Pure FM.
Referee, former South African referee is in Kobo. Ono na wa church same no say referee no second half ne crowd ye chese enioma bi oyeye no na moa chese bibia no na waje ama Ghana for no na ono no ye analysis ni we o dia send amanfo ene wa ya de wa hwehwe mu yie South Africa for no omo ensem no mi ankasa de ma hohoro men self omo ensem ni menka biom eno ano no FIFA 4 na mo de asema ko down omo enche FIFA 4 e de omo verdict beba sa ususu se referee no say ni de okoni krom ti uhia na on naka ba ye Ghana de ya qualify omo twa omo mutan ya qualify be white
said okay say wa horo won say free hu no minim de ntia omo wo evidence wo ha omo na omo me aso ate say omo e de asem na ko du FIFA so ye ama response kura e ba no anya say FIFA nsaka na still omo say ba bontin omo be di abobo wa bontin san say asem na kasa wo de ko enti yen twen na afei the body now what they asem no down mo aye omo e na organize ball e ba so no omo ntimi endi asem no ehun hia say omesa aye na chinchinche aye ho fine e yes omo ye de ba say ene ma ekuto omo nyina as omo da na di ene e we say na we say ni nyina no and including a match minimum survey officiating statistics there say 24 minutes we say ni na match report o tre now they are and some farmer abonten and mama me justify we baby anti revenue anye fa oni bi ama omo ana say bi no so because according to us 25% of referees decide 28 we make it 28 decisions. Emu 25 no against South Africans no. It's 3 no say against was that
next time you South Africa share be more referee.
Yeah, be more. No referee was it Bennett. Emma yeni Uganda. Sa match no ke bia ye share ya ka winning goal last minute o. Ka Ghana share ya e bia ka Egypt antimi anya da eye no. E bia ka Ghana last on say na penultimate fixture bis as na last but one Ghana we also a ball last match it me said ya but sa game no ya nya sa 3 points no na me last match no fa so obi ani so chance na e pass no way but it's Ghana ye cool yam petition FIFA na say cast ni ade but it seems that omani abrewo sa match we do but omo nkasa na ye Ghana mo de ya de match abama so ye ya bebo 1-1 mkro na nyumina mo match against Zimbabwe also say Zimbabwe 3-0 ni ade nanka emso mo do money to head so because him say per no akra voice e boy na de da you encourage players ni say Ghana against South Africa no ye match say unim say onye ready for that game you do Ghana kofie unsa o ka say ye be say o say 2-0 say unya rese unsa Ghana be say 2-0 Echresa na bia two part and I say all the association bodies no more players na ebobo no hu say match na goals difference and I say goals for ansana about head to head when it comes to FIFA games but imagine could di say e say as a CAF organized competition normally you use head to head first it's as a per the crack na o use 2-0 as an a motivation idea say omoba Ghana ekwan bia so no sa 2-0 win de o say Ghana etimi nya ebia no na ama South Africans no anse oman dia de Zimbabwe a lot of goals is as omunya omugya omo even goal no kra ba early no ko say ka second half no ko no omo make sure say omo be double deficit no to baby a 3-0 bi kra anka nanu aye so omo wani anka omo betimi defend for and also me prevent Ghana from scoring another goal I bet me ama goals no eswate but rather no make sure say the head to head minded and ewuram e Cape Coast and timi anwie pay am fa mo say e kire ya ye bebo match no and e beto odwa say per the rules no Ghana here a win and a win bia no e the Ghana qualify but either win or draw and e betimi survival or betimi survival e wo Ghanaian so ya say ni too bad say timi say Zimbabweans no dodo so omo nti the omo ye nya bia omo market Danny Jordan after the game na attack sase ko no so say okra na yehu de wo ye na pushi na wan pushi na bia ode ahomte aye press conference referee ne say nya go yes ya wa me platform bia referee Joe Debra o say ball a clean penalty nti momo former referee say wo hu niama bebra decisions no e go in favor of Ghana yes ya referee ono si agidi dia referee's chair mebwa Joe Debra also say it was a clear penalty there was a contact and they should forget about it no moving forward for 20 say says 2026 so any ever cho almost be that qualification
some won't go AFCON
98 no mo ba here no no say called 2002 and at 2010 the your mom host no mo baby walk up from them na no the way obusi busam sa questions na almost say FIFA crowd no munya ten the galley dey tell me say case no go zero
okay right about like that's very and the castle as for aboafo no sembre na yenkwa homane so na Ghana for enchiro madwe